Are you wondering how to make homemade Haitian peanut butter, Mamba? In this video, we are going to show you how to make traditional Haitian peanut butter. Welcome to Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook. I'm Samuel Valmay, author of Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook. On our channel, we teach you how to cook easy traditional Haitian recipes. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button. Comment, like, and share this video with a friend, and also don't forget to click on the notification button to get updated on all our new content. You can find any of the links that I mentioned in this video and the recipe in the description below. Don't forget to stay to the end of the video to receive my bonus tips. So let's get cooking. Now we get a chance to try the amazing Haitian Mamba. There it is. And it is delicious. Now for my tips for making Haitian homemade peanut butter. Tip number 1. You can pre-roast the peanuts in a quick trip through the oven to warm them up and help the oils loosen up. You can roast it in a 350-degree oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. Tip number 2. You can also substitute any other nuts for the peanuts in this recipe. For example, you can make almond butter, pistachio butter, or any other kind of nut butter. The method is exactly the same. Tip number 3. You can refrigerate the peanut butter in a sealed container for up to a month after it's made. Thank you for watching Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook. I'm Samuel Valmet. Please don't forget to purchase our new book on Amazon and come back to our channel often, as we'll be posting different techniques, different recipes, and having discussions that we are sure will be engaging. Until next time, thanks for joining us on Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook.